Hi friends, today we are going to discuss how to use adapter template service in Software Easy Designer. Okay? First of all, we should create a table in MySQL Designer, MySQL. Okay? Now I am going to create a table. Create table, update. Okay. My table is created. And this is my table. Now I'm going to insert data in my table. Okay. This is my table. Now I want to update the name of the ID to ID3. Okay. Now I want to create adapter service template. Okay. Adapter new is adapter service update. Next, this is my adapter type. My adapter type is with adapter for GDBC. Next, adapter connection alias is this one. I want to select update SQL because I want to update my table in my SQL workbench. So that's why I'm taking update SQL. Finish. Here in this table tab, in here traders, click on the traders. I create table in web methods is so I select that update table, update. Oh, my table is not shown here. So first refresh this folder. Okay, now web methods is schema. Yeah, update one. This is my table. What I created in my SQL. I selected the table, update. I want to update only name, so that's why I selected the name only. Where uh, by using the ID we can update the name. So here I take in the ID result, save it and run it. Run on service. Okay, name. I want to update the name where where which one. I want to update the third row 3. ID is 3. Okay. Okay, update result is 1. Yeah. My name is update to Veer. Prasad to Veer. Now I want to update ID also. Is update. Insert ID. Yeah. There is only ID. Runners and service. Okay, ID. Double T. In place of 3, I'm going to update double T. This number. Update or not, I will. Okay. Now I'm refresh the table. Okay, my ID also changed. View. Okay.